I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. I mean, a lot of stuff. I probably get 3 or 4 deliveries a week from UPS or the post office from Amazon purchases. And the reason I bring this up is I have a tendency to compare the service level and the quality of products that Amazon is delivering to the service level and the products being delivered by other suppliers, whether it's other retailers or other online services. The same holds true for what goes on in your neck of the woods in terms of what other companies that you consider competitors in your space might be doing, whether it's the way they answer the phone, whether it's the way they treat their customers, the way they schedule their patients, members, or clients, the services that they offer, the quality of those services, and so much more. So it pays to do some competitive intelligence or gain some competitive intelligence and shop and see what people in your market space or your marketplace are doing. There are so many dollars that are being distributed in your geography for like or similar services to what your weight loss or fitness or health or wellness offering provides to the marketplace. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to go on Groupon. Find your market or a neighboring market and put in your, for example, weight loss programs. And I'm showing you an example here, weight loss programs in Dallas, Texas. There's 37 pages of this. It's obviously a top market, but it gives you a good idea as to exactly what other people in this space are doing. It's a great way to quickly get an idea as to what other people are offering, whether to get ahead of the curve or do a better job of offering what a competitor might be offering. One additional benefit is it provides you direct links to websites in almost every single case, and you can see and drill down a little bit deeper and see exactly how people are marketing their services and maybe even borrow, steal, or copy some clever ideas. If you'd like some more guidance on how to really take hold of your marketplace and really gain a competitive edge and capture market share, click us or call us.